Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to check and analyze student results in the Classwise app. You'll see how to track your students' progress in a simple way and plan future lessons more effectively. To begin, go to the Students section and select the class whose results you want to analyze. On the left, you see the list of students. Next to each name, you see indicators showing how that student is performing compared with the rest of the class. Further across, you see the average results for all activities currently visible on the list, as well as school attendance. In the following columns, you can review the results from individual activities. If you'd like, you can change how the results are displayed, from percentages to the grading scale used in your school. To analyze the data in more detail, use the search tools for Students and Activities. You also have filters available. You can choose the subject you're interested in, or a specific type of activity, for example, a quiz, a game, or a short test. If you don't want a particular activity to count toward a student's grade, you can hide it by clicking the eye icon. Notice that when you change the filters, the student's average updates dynamically, always based on what is currently visible on the screen. When you click the three dots next to the activity name, you'll see additional options. I'll cover some of them in separate videos. If you'd like to take a closer look at a specific student, select them from the list. You'll see a summary and a chart showing how the student's results have changed over time. Below that, you'll find a full activity history, where you can see how the student answered individual questions and where they made mistakes. This kind of analysis helps you see where the student may need additional support. Just like in the full class view, you can also use filters here to carry out a more detailed analysis. Analyzing results from specific activities is especially helpful when planning future lessons. You can check how students answered individual questions. You'll also see which topics they understood well and which ones they found difficult. The app clearly highlights them. When more than half of the class answers a question incorrectly, that result is highlighted in red. This is your cue to check whether the material was introduced clearly or whether the question itself may contain an error. With this information, it's easier to plan review sessions and adapt the material to the needs of your class. Regularly analyzing the data and drawing conclusions from it can have a real impact on lesson effectiveness and student outcomes. If you'd like to learn more about the Classwise app, check out the next videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.